Oh, welcome lads. Well, after talking about the BHP group, it would seem wrong not to talk about one of their competitors, Rio Tinto, one of the largest mining firms on earth, traded in the London Stock Exchange. Let's jump right into it, see what they're all about, see what products they do, where they operate, and more importantly, their stock price and dividend. So, yep, as I said, massive mining firm, 39,000 employees across 35 different countries. Products include things such as iron ore, which is one of their main resources, aluminium. They are a miner of copper, borates, lithium, which is very important in today's world, diamonds, salt, and titanium dioxide. A few different things compared to BHP. I'm sure there is a lot of crossovers, but these guys seem to specialise in diamond and lithium especially. So let's look at their operations now. Where are they based? Primarily, they are an Anglo-Australian company, so they have an awful lot of mines located in Australia, but they have operations across the globe, some in New Zealand, Mongolia, Madagascar, the United States, Canada, Iceland, and Africa alongside South America. But I'm going to show you one of my favourite mines that I clicked onto, because you can click right into them. And Dividend in the Northern Territories is a diamond mine, but I just want to show you here what it looks like. And then it's frozen over in winter like that. That's kind of, for someone that lives in a climate such as Northern Ireland, this is quite amazing to see. Anyway, enough of my looking at diamond mines. Let's look at their stock price. Okay, so ticker symbol RIO, traded on the London Stock Exchange, founded in 1873. Their headquarters is, of course, based in London. And stock price, well, as you can see, they've had their ups, they've had their downs, but their dividend yield is 11.95%, very similar to BHP. Now, their stock price is 4,852 sterling, so it's about £48. About $58, $57, something like that. Exchange rate changes, so don't hold me to that in the way the economy's going, but let's have a wee look here. In 2020, they did have a drop in March, although they've seen quite new highs, and at the moment, they're going through a phase of where they're dropping a wee bit, but I recommend you do your own research to find out why that could be the case. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm simply doing an informative overview of the company. Now, you know what's coming next if you've been part of the channel for a while. We're going on to Dividend Max. We're going to play about with the calculator. So if you had 100 shares of Rio, you would have had a payment of £45.60 in the 21st of April. Their next ex-dividend date is the 11th of August. They seem to jump between April and August. Their dividend yield is 7.9%. Now, that is a bit contradictory to the 11.95%, but with mining companies, it is very unpredictable. Depends on the price of metal. They have good years, they have bad years. Dividends go up, dividends come crashing down sometimes with mining firms. That is the way them and BHP have operated. Consistently, though, they have been paying out a dividend for quite a number of years now. I don't believe they're an aristocrat, but they could be. They could be. It goes as far as 2006 on Dividend Max. And their last payment here, it was a special one for 45 pence, but the last main one was paid in April. So yeah, let's jump on over to Trading 212, where we'll have another wee look-see at them. So let's see. Yeah, as I said, there's been a wee bit of a dip recently. And let's see. They're in the basic materials sector, metal mining. Market cap is 86 billion, so about slightly less than BHP. Similar revenues, 52 billion, and dividend yield 11.33 compared to BHP's 12.5. And let's see, their revenue has skyrocketed with COVID and the price of metals. Although it could go up, it could go down. So, a bit of caution and research goes a long way. Let's see, total assets been steadily climbing. They have a debt to asset ratio of 50%. Profit margin, they actually operate at 33.22%, which means they have a slightly higher profit margin than BHP, who I believe are about 28%. And then cash flow has just exploded. That is why they gave out a special dividend, because of record-breaking profits. So yeah, if you want to get into the mining side of things, definitely recommend BHP and Rio as ones that you look into. I don't recommend you buy them. I recommend you have a look-see into them. Have to be very careful with the wording of some things I've discovered. But yes, I've enjoyed making the videos, lads. Hopefully you have learned something new today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.